How to ride in rainy weather.
So rainy weather, it's pretty bad for riding. You get wet, your bike gets wet, the ground's slippery. So here's a few tips to keep riding safe in the rainy weather.
Step 1.
Step 1 will be what you're wearing. Obviously if it's raining, you're not going to be running around with no top on, just your undies and no shoes. Okay, because that's 1, you're going to get yourself hurt if you fall off. 2, it's going to be cold. And 3, you're just going to look like an idiot.
And you also may get arrested for streaking.
Or even get some exposure.
Yes.
So what you want to wear is a rain jacket,
Yes.
shorts or pants, not denim, maybe some board shorts because they dry pretty quickly. Doesn't really matter what your pants are as long as it's not denim, because denim gets very heavy in the wet. Your shoes, doesn't really matter. Socks, doesn't really matter because it's just shoes and socks. And with your helmet, if you have the option to, if you have a hood on your raincoat, which you probably should, what you can do, put this up on you. What you can do is put your hood on, then put your helmet on. But this can get very hot, so I wouldn't recommend doing that unless it's like cold and it's raining.
Or you could wear a skate helmet.
So it's not less cold.
Yeah. But you'll probably get not as hot as wearing the rain jacket over.
Yeah.
So it's probably a better bet if you have one to use a skate helmet.
So yeah, that's what you should be wearing.
Step 2.
So step 2 would be if your bike doesn't have disc brakes of any kind, whether that be mechanical or hydraulic. So this is a disc brake where it's got a disc. If your bike has rim brakes where the brakes are up here,
Like
his bike,
this, right there, and squeezes on the rim, don't use that.
if you've got those in your bike, let's say you got a BMX or like maybe a road bike, like you can ride in the rain, okay, you're gonna stop, but they're not gonna bite as hard, and don't push your brakes. Like don't ride your bike as hard, obviously, because you will find that you won't be able to stop as quickly or as easily. And it makes a hell of a noise, dude, it squeaks like hell.
Yeah.
So
Bro, it's not pausing. Step 3.
So if you're coming into the corner of speed and you want to slow down, do not use your front brake because your front wheel will just slide out and like
You could fall over easily.
fall over. If you're coming to the corner with quite a bit of speed and you have no warning, try drift or like skid through the corners using your rear brake because you will have a lot more control and you look like a badass. So, or another thing, braking in the wet. Brake early, but not as hard. Brake early and softer. Then you do have that, like, you can predict what's about to happen. Everything's happening a bit slow. Like, don't do swift, quick movements as if you're in the dry, because your wheels are just going to slide. You're going to slide it. If they're going to slide out from underneath you, you're going to hit the pavement so hard.
Especially on grass or loose stuff, or wet concrete that's really smooth, like this stuff. Like we were recording in another video right here, really slippery. Alright?
So another thing would be also like, when you're coming into the corner, don't like lean on that front wheel and like push your weight on it awkwardly. And also saying that you don't really want to lean back too far either, or else that can take the weight off your front wheel and you're needing less grip. You're just going to go whoop, straight ahead even though your bars are turned like that.
Yeah, so keep your weight balanced and
Keep
equal.
it balanced like in the centre, because if I lean forwards in the wet as I turn, it feels sketchy. Like you feel the grip, but it feels sketchy because of the wet and you don't have that control. And if I lean back and turn also, that's a potential hazard. I'll show you. As I lean back into the corner, like that is sketchy. Like my wheel was slipping as I went through. So what I can do is find that balance between. Look how slippery this is. This is my front brake.
Holding front brake.
That's me holding my front brake. Then this one, you can just push it through the water. Oh, whoops, that's on a. Yeah, you can just push it through. Both brakes, by the way.
Yeah.
And look, you can slip over on this stuff so easily.
Or on my shoes.
not as slippery. But most riding shoes do have pretty bad road. So if you are riding in the rain, be safe, wear your raincoat, keep warm, try to keep it as dry as possible. And if it is avoidable, like, let's say you can see like a bit of blue sky up in the horizon. You can't see any here because the weather's just going to be bad for ages.
Yeah,
and it has been for the last few days.
or if the clouds are like really dark, if there may be a tornado, thunderstorm, hail, snow, anything like that, get home fast or take shelter immediately. Like this is
fine.
Auckland weather for you guys, fine. But if it gets much darker than that, go home or get to shelter.
And also, if you can see blue patches in the sky but you can't hear, like in the distance, just try wait it out now. Waiting it, unless you're urgent, like if you have the opportunity to, do wait another hour. Because if that weather clears up, it's going to be much better.
Yeah, but the weather's been horrible in Auckland for days now.
Yeah.
It's
We were at the skate park a few days ago. It bucketed down for rain. Like, it was like a bit worse than this. It wasn't that bad.
but still pretty bad that you wouldn't want to
After
ride.
the sun came out, it was like pretty hot, and it dried up pretty much instantly.
Yeah, so if you can, wait it out. But if you really want to get riding, stay safe on that.
Also, if you fall off in the rain, not much is going to happen. Your cuts aren't going to be as bad. It's not going to hurt as much. Well, whenever I fall over in the rain, it's just more of a little breeze. It's not really like.
But you will get wet, especially in a puddle like this. You'll get wet.
Just be aware that if you do fall off in the rain, it's not going to hurt as much. You're going to slide. But if you hit the ground and you start sliding, your body will slide for ages. I fell off my bike on the rain going to school down a hill down here.
Big steep hill.
This isn't my school, by the way.
Yes.
Going down that hill, it's like really sketchy. It's like almost 30 degrees. I slid for like at least 20 meters after coming off my bike. I didn't really get too hurt, but you know.
But you will slide. So be careful, especially around traffic.
So,
Because you may slide out, go under the wheels of a vehicle. Bye bye you.
so yeah, just be careful around traffic if it's raining, because there will be more traffic. Not going to be as much pedestrians, for sure, because it's raining.
Yeah, if you have rim brakes, remember, don't go too fast and stop before when you usually would.
Some trails might be closed if it's raining because it can damage the trail. So like, if you are on a trail and it's still open, don't do skids, don't brake up, because that will rip off all the dirt and that will make matters worse.
Yeah, don't be a bad person like that. Trying to keep this family friendly, by the way.
So, ride safe, brake a bit softer than you do, brake earlier, keep your weight balanced.
And have fun.
hopefully, if you listen to our tips, you'll be alive to see our next video. So with that, later, Topos.
Have
See you in
fun.
the next one.